Marami ka bang utang or credit card, outstanding balances, loans, high interest loans, no, na gusto mong bayaran at makaahon, no, sa mga utang na to? So here are the practical steps na somehow ginawa natin before. At the same time, no, ito rin yung mga binigay nating advice sa mga followers natin. Hi, ako nga pala si Lauren Junicio, guys, no, founder of Pinoy Financial Planning. I'm a certified public accountant and also a registered financial planner by profession, no. So one of our subscribers nagpadala nga ng tanong dito, and sabi niya nga ni Lynn, no, ito, no, how to pay multiple high interest debts without getting another debt. So again, this is based on my experience, no. There's no surefire talaga to do this, but again, this is for me my practical steps, my opinion, no. So first one, of course, fix the leak, no. Ano ba yung nangyari before? So i-assess mo lang sa sarili mo bakit ka napunta sa ganyang sitwasyon, no. So you should stop the bleeding. So kailangan talagang stop muna, no, for you to fix the leaks, no, yung mga butas or yung problema mo ngayon is talagang itigil mo muna bakit ka napunta dyan, no. So of course, what are those, no? Some of them yung mga of course credit cards, no. Ang daming na dyan, ang daming nalululon or maraming nababaon talaga sa credit cards, no. Kala kasi ng iba credit cards are free cash na tinatawag or benefit, no. So hindi po, no. So of course, make sure na paggagamit ka ng credit card is talagang kaya mong bayaran in cash, no? So iba gina-justify pa, may rewards kasi, di ba? May mga points, may mga miles, no? So okay, kung talagang gagastusin mo siya, you can use your card, no? Pero again, you should pay them in full. Dapat kaya mo siyang bayaran on the spot, no? But kung di mo kaya, no, kung nagiging snowball lang siya, lumalaki na lumalaki, is talagang you need discipline, no, on your spending na tinatawag. I-assess mo bakit ka napunta sa sitwasyon ngayon, no, and stop the leak, no. Check your spending habits, no, correct it first, fix your mindset na tinatawag, no. Again, it's credit card and other loan sharks, no, so it's not a benefit, guys, no. You should always check your spending habits na tinatawag. Second, of course, pag nalaman mo na ano ba yung cost talaga nito, we can now start, fixing or kumbaga solving the problems, no, kung paano nga mai-eliminate yung mga utang or mga credit card debts na to. First is you have to list everything, no. So from due dates, minimum payments, interest rates, no, and ito, ilista mo yan, no. At the same time, there are two ways, guys. There's two school of thought in solving problems, no. Itong pag-eliminate ng mga debts is the avalanche method and the snowball methods. Of course, avalanche method, again, there's no right or wrong, it's up to you, no. But I'll give my opinion later kung ano yung mas prefer ko, no. So let me explain first. The avalanche method